Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 11 of the Wera Advent Calendar. So far we have a wand halter, various hex keys, along with a pouch with a handle, micro and large bits, with our magnet. Now let's see what's behind number 11 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And what we have is the combination Phillips number 1 and 2 bit. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 12. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.